My dear friends, welcome back to BSpice. In this session, we'll discuss about the fire alarm system design and wherein we'll focus on the future trends in fire alarm system. So this is an extension of the part 5 video wherein we talked about the advanced technologies in fire alarm system. So now I'm going to dive deep into the future trends in the fire alarm system. So this is the agenda. Yeah, future trends in fire alarm system. This all we have already covered in four, five parts. This is the part 6. And of course, one more is there that will come in the next session. Okay. That is about the fire alarm system false alarm, how to address that. Okay. Okay. So coming back to the subject here, future trends in fire alarm system. Okay. Friends, the world of fire alarm system is continually evolving to meet the demands of ever-changing environment and technological advancement. So here we'll talk about the future trends from advanced detection technologies to the AI-driven emergency response, as well as the potential impact of smart buildings and the role of fire safety in sustainable design. This is now a very, famous word, sustainable. So we all, work toward the sustainable design. Okay. So as part of that, the first item is advanced detection technology. Okay. So as part of this advanced technology, the first and foremost is early warning AI algorithm. AI-driven algorithm will continue to improve fire detection by analyzing the data from various sensors, identifying the fire patterns. So that is important, the fire patterns, and providing early warning even before the traditional alarms are triggered. So that is the point. This is the early warning AI algorithm. Then we have one more, in fact, two more actually. The second is the biometric environmental sensing. Fire alarm system should incorporate biometric and environmental sensor to detect changes in temperature, gas concentration, or even the presence of certain chemicals, thereby providing more comprehensive fire detection capabilities. So this is the second one, biometric and environmental sensing. Then we have a 3D imaging and cameras. Friends, advanced cameras 3D imaging technology may enable the fire alarm system to analyze building layout in real time. So, thereby identifying the potential fire hazards and optimizing the evacuation routes based on the exact location of the fire. So, these are the advanced detection technologies. Okay, that is about advanced detection. Then now we have a AI powered emergency response. Artificial intelligence plays a significant role, right? So let's see what are those. One is the automated emergency communication. See here, AI-powered system can automatically communicate with emergency services, providing crucial information about the fire's location, severity, and any trapped occupants. So that is the beauty of this. Then we have a predictive fire modeling. AI can use historical data and building specific information to create predictive fire models, thereby allowing the fire alarm system to anticipate the fire risk and develop proactive response strategies. And then we have a dynamic emergency plan. Okay. So this AI algorithm can dynamically adjust emergency plan based on the real-time data. So that thereby, optimizing the evacuation routes and directing occupants away from danger. So this is about the AI-powered emergency response. Then we have a smart building and fire safety. The rise of smart building enabled by the IoT and interconnected system will transform the fire safety in the future. So how? Okay, let's see. Automated fire suppression system. So the IoT devices can facilitate real-time communication between fire alarm system and automatic fire suppression system. So thereby triggering the immediate responses and minimizing the spread of fire. So that is the beauty of this, the smart building and fire safety. Under that, automated fire suppression. Then we have a smart sensor. See, this IoT sensor can detect the presence and location of building components, helping the fire alarm system evacuation plan to individual occupant needs. So that is also an advantage using this smart sensor. Then we have one more building-wide integration. You know, the fire alarm system is seamlessly integrated with various smart building systems such as lighting, access control, which we had discussed in the previous session, and HVAC. So thereby, optimizing the energy response and enhance the overall safety. So these are the some of the thing as part of the smart building and fire safety. Okay, just take this as an awareness video, friends. Okay, just get to know that's it. These are all there in the market. Okay, then I want to touch upon a bit on the sustainability also. In future, the fire alarm system will be increasingly be part of a sustainable building design. So, meaning promoting both environmental consciousness and safety. So, one is the energy efficient system. Fire alarm system will be designed to minimize power consumption. That is important right nowadays. So incorporating energy efficient components and battery technologies. So that is about the energy efficient system for the sustainability. Then we have a green fire suppression solution. Sustainable fire suppression agent that have a minimal impact on the environment will be integrated into the fire alarm system. So this is part of the green fire suppression system. Then we have a fire safety in net zero building. This is also very important. Fire alarm system will complement the design of net zero energy building, ensuring that the energy efficiency measures do not compromise fire safety. So this is all about sustainability and fire safety. Then of course we have a enhanced user experience and accessibility. So as part of that voice control system, so this voice activated system will enable users to control and access fire alarm system using natural language commands. And that is the important point, simplifying the system management. Then accessibility features. Fire alarm system will include accessibility features, meaning making them usable for people with disabilities also, such as voice instruction for hearing impaired and also visual alerts for the visually impaired. So these are the enhanced user experience and accessibility. Then the last but not the least, again, the cyber security. Okay. So cyber security in the sense as fire alarm system becomes more connected and reliant on data exchange, robust cybersecurity measures will be essential to safeguard against cyber threats and protect sensitive information, isn't it? So these are the things I want to, wanted to give about the future trends, friends. So in conclusion, the future of a fire alarm system is promising, driven by advanced detection technologies and AI-powered emergency response and seamless integration with smart building. So the intersection of fire safety and sustainable design will be to promote eco-conscious building practices and enhance the user experience, right? So that's all about this fire alarm system, friends. So just bear with me. Only one more item is there, very interesting. I will also finish that. Then I'll go into the beautiful, section, the SCADA, the smart grid. All these I'm going to talk, friends. Stay tuned and take care. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And don't forget to, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.